this is for week 7, assignment 2. Okay, so in assignment 1, you watched a short video about the history of the internet, and hopefully you remember some of that information. You can always go back to do it. But here is another video. It's a little bit longer and a little bit more detailed. So what I need you to do is watch the video and jot down the important points. Kind of like taking notes, but it's just important points. I only need words pretty much, because what I want you to do is you're going to submit facts that you figure out or you hear in both of the different videos that have to do with the history of the internet. So if you go to the actual assignment, it will say, okay, so you're going to watch the video, and then you're going to open the assignment and type facts about the internet using the alphabet. You'll get 5 points for each one. So if I go over here and I click submit, and it's going to come up, I would type in A, and then I would type in a fact that starts with A. B, type in a fact that starts with B. C, here's an example. C is communication is the reason the Defense Department started the internet. And then D, and write one. E, write one. F, write one. G, write one. Okay, so for every one that you do, it'll be 5 points. I realize that, X and Z and Q and probably even K. I mean, there are some that are really hard to do, which is why, if you think about it, 20 times 5 is 100, so there's 26 letters. So basically you have to come up with 20 facts. All right, so if you have any problems with this, message me. It's a little bit longer, and you have to really go through the video. You'll probably watch it more than once, but you're going to just come up with facts, like those things that you say, oh, that's really cool, or I didn't know that, or that type of stuff. That's what I'm looking for. Okay? All right. So, like I said, if you have any problems, message me, and we will go from there. Have a great day.